Amazon is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, and it has created an opportunity for millions of people to build businesses from home. Every day, millions of customers visit Amazon looking for products to buy. Instead of making every product itself, Amazon allows other people and companies to sell products on its platform. This creates a business model that is simple to understand. A person uses a phone or laptop to create a store on Amazon. Products are listed for sale. Customers place orders and money is earned from every successful sale. The reason this business model is so powerful is because Amazon already has customers. Normally, if someone starts an online business, they need to build a website, create trust, and spend a lot of money finding customers. On Amazon, the customers are already there. This removes one of the biggest challenges in business and allows beginners to focus on products and customer service. The first part of this business model is the seller. The seller can be anyone. It can be a college student, a stay-at-home parent, an employee looking for extra income, or an entrepreneur building a full-time company. The seller creates an Amazon account and begins offering products to customers. The second part is the Amazon Marketplace. Think of Amazon as a giant digital shopping mall. Thousands of stores exist inside one website. Customers come to the marketplace every day because they trust Amazon. They know they can find products quickly, receive fast shipping, and get support if something goes wrong. This trust is one of the biggest reasons why selling on Amazon is attractive. The third part of the business model is the product. Products are the heart of every Amazon business. A seller must choose products carefully because the right product can build a successful business while the wrong product can lead to losses. Successful products usually solve a problem, make life easier, save time, or provide entertainment. The fourth part is profit. Profit is the money left after paying all expenses. This includes product costs, Amazon fees, advertising expenses, and shipping costs. Understanding profit is extremely important because many beginners focus only on sales numbers and forget about expenses. There are different ways to sell on Amazon. One method is called fulfillment by Amazon. In this model, sellers send inventory to Amazon warehouses. Amazon stores the products, packs orders, ships them to customers, and even handles customer service. This allows sellers to focus more on growing the business. Another method is called fulfillment by merchant. In this model, sellers keep inventory themselves and handle shipping and customer service. This provides more control but also requires more work. Another popular model is drop shipping. In this system, sellers do not keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the seller purchases the product from a supplier and the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This reduces the amount of money needed to start because inventory does not need to be purchased in advance. Another business model is private label. In this model, sellers create their own brand. They find a manufacturer, put their own logo on products, and sell under a unique brand name. Many large Amazon businesses are built using private label products because it allows sellers to build long-term value. Starting an Amazon business begins with product research. Product research is the process of finding items that customers want to buy. Successful sellers spend a lot of time researching products because choosing the right product is often the difference between success and failure. A good product usually has consistent demand throughout the year. It is not too heavy and not too fragile. It has enough profit margin and is not dominated by huge brands. Products that solve problems often perform very well because customers actively search for solutions. After finding a product, the next step is creating an Amazon seller account. The registration process usually requires personal information, bank account information, tax information, and identity verification. Once approved, sellers can begin creating product listings. A listing is essentially an online store page. It contains the product title, pictures, descriptions, and pricing information. Good listings are extremely important because customers make buying decisions based on what they see on the page. Product images play a huge role in success. Since customers cannot physically touch products, they rely on photos to understand what they are buying. Clear professional images increase trust and improve conversion rates. The title of a product should explain exactly what the product is. Customers should immediately understand the product features, size, color, and purpose. A confusing title often results in fewer sales. Descriptions are also important because they explain benefits and answer customer questions. A good description reduces confusion and increases confidence. Customers who understand a product are more likely to buy it. Pricing is another critical factor. Setting the right price requires research. If the price is too high, customers may buy from competitors. If the price is too low, profits may disappear. Successful sellers analyze competitors carefully before deciding on pricing. Amazon charges fees for using its marketplace. These fees can include referral fees, storage fees, fulfillment fees, and advertising expenses. Understanding these costs is essential because profit depends on managing expenses correctly. Consider a simple example. A seller lists a product for $40. The product itself costs $15. Amazon fees are $10 and shipping costs are $3. The remaining amount becomes profit. Every business decision should be based on these numbers. Customers love Amazon because it provides convenience. They can shop from home, compare products, read reviews, and receive orders quickly. This convenience creates enormous opportunities for sellers. Reviews are one of the most important factors on Amazon. Positive reviews build trust and encourage more customers to buy. Products with strong reviews often rank higher and receive more visibility. Amazon uses an algorithm to decide which products appear in search results. The algorithm rewards products that sell well, satisfy customers, and maintain good performance. This means successful products often continue growing because they receive additional visibility. Advertising is another important part of the business model. Amazon offers advertising tools that allow sellers to promote products. Advertising helps new products gain visibility and attract customers. Many successful businesses focus on building brands instead of simply selling random products. A brand creates customer loyalty and allows companies to launch additional products more easily. Building a brand often leads to long-term success. One of the most interesting parts of the Amazon business model is that it can be operated entirely from a smartphone. Modern phones are powerful enough to handle many business tasks. A seller can research products using a phone. They can communicate with suppliers, answer customer messages, monitor sales, and manage inventory. Mobile applications allow sellers to run their businesses from almost anywhere. The biggest advantage of using a phone is convenience. A seller can work while traveling, sitting at a coffee shop, or relaxing at home. There is no requirement to have expensive equipment. Another advantage is lower startup costs. Many people already own smartphones, which means they can begin learning and managing a business without purchasing additional devices. Phones also make communication easier. Suppliers, customers, and business partners can be contacted instantly through email and messaging applications. However, there are limitations to running an Amazon business solely from a smartphone. Small screens can make product research difficult. Managing large amounts of data can become frustrating. Analyzing spreadsheets and comparing information often takes longer. Because of these limitations, many sellers eventually use laptops. A laptop provides a larger screen and makes multitasking easier. Research becomes faster and more efficient. A laptop is especially useful when working with spreadsheets and data analysis. Product research often involves comparing many different products and organizing information. This process is significantly easier on a computer. Creating listings is also faster on a laptop. Uploading images, editing descriptions, and managing inventory become more convenient. Advertising management is another area where laptops have advantages. Advertising campaigns involve analyzing numbers, adjusting budgets, and monitoring performance. A larger screen makes these tasks easier. Many successful entrepreneurs use both devices together. The laptop becomes the main workstation while the smartphone acts as a mobile management tool. This combination provides flexibility and efficiency. To succeed on Amazon, sellers must develop important skills. Product research is one of the most valuable skills because everything begins with choosing the right products. Marketing is another important skill. Sellers need to understand customer behavior and know how to attract buyers. Communication skills are essential because sellers often work with suppliers and customers from different parts of the world. Financial management is also critical. Business owners need to understand expenses, profits, and cash flow. Problem solving is another necessary skill because challenges will always occur. Inventory issues, shipping delays, and customer complaints are all part of business. Many beginners make common mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes is choosing products without proper research. Another mistake is entering markets with extremely high competition. Poor product images are another major problem. Customers often avoid products that appear unprofessional. Pricing mistakes can also destroy profitability. Some sellers focus only on making sales and forget to calculate expenses. Ignoring customer service is another serious mistake. Happy customers leave positive reviews and become repeat buyers. Patience is essential in the Amazon business. Many people expect immediate success, but building a profitable business usually takes time. Learning product research, improving listings, and understanding customers all require experience. An Amazon business can often be started with relatively little money depending on the business model. Dropshipping generally requires less money because inventory does not need to be purchased in advance. Private label businesses often require larger investments because inventory and branding costs are higher. Many people eventually turn their Amazon businesses into full-time careers. They replace traditional jobs and create independent sources of income. However, success is never guaranteed. It requires effort, consistency, and continuous learning. As businesses grow, automation becomes important. Inventory systems, customer support tools, and advertising software help sellers manage larger operations. Automation allows businesses to scale without increasing workload at the same rate. Successful entrepreneurs often expand beyond a single product. They launch additional products, create brands, and enter new categories. Over time, the business becomes larger and more valuable. The Amazon business model is attractive because it combines entrepreneurship with technology. It allows ordinary people to reach millions of customers without opening physical stores. The entire process can be summarized very simply. A person uses a smartphone or laptop to create a store on Amazon. Products are listed and displayed to millions of customers. Customers place orders and products are delivered. After expenses are paid, the remaining money becomes profit. This simple system has created opportunities for students, employees, parents, and entrepreneurs around the world. Whether someone uses only a phone, only a laptop, or both together, the Amazon business model offers the possibility of building a real online business and creating a long-term source of income through e-commerce.